If you're going to a master's party or even hosting a master's watch party, you're gonna wanna see how I put this beverage kit together. This drink is loosely based around the Stand 12, which is a secret menu drink at the Masters. And they use blue Powerade, pink lemonade, and I think Sprite. But our version is gonna use blue Powerade, lemon seltzer, a little True Lemon, and strawberry syrup to give it that pink lemonade look. Side note, I'm going through a kitchen renovation right now, but the show must go on. Let's start with the printables that I made. This is obviously the green blazer that will go over the recipe card. This is going to top our candy kebab. These two golf balls are for our flavor pouches, and then this will be for the straw. Cut these out and we'll take it from there. All the printables are cut out. So I filled one of the pouches with strawberry syrup. It's gonna take the blue Powerade and fill another little pouch with it. I know the ratios are not correct for the real drink, but like I said, this is our version of the Stand 12. So I already prepped the candy for my candy kebab, and the stick has been sitting in a little bath. I know you guys had a lot of questions about that. Let me just answer now. I don't soak it per se. I just leave the skewers in a little bit of water before I start assembling the candy kebabs, only because it helps the candy slide on so much easier. Now that's a candy kebab. Let's just get it in the bag and tie it up, and then we'll continue on with the kit. Right, so this guy needs a little hat. So let's put on the caddy hat, and I'm just gonna use a little bit of double-sided tape. Super simple. And put it right on the top. That's pretty cute. All right, the next step, we're just gonna take the red flag, and I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little fold mark. So we're just gonna fold that there to punch a couple holes in it and slide the straw through. We have everything kind of like put together, so all we have to do now is assemble it. So we're gonna start with the bag, put in some Master's Green paper shred. Let's add our lemon seltzer. In the cup, we're gonna put the strawberry syrup pouch, the blue Powerade pouch, the True Lemon, and this is just in case they want a little extra lemon punch. Put that in there, put the lid on, put our straw with the flag, our cute little caddy candy kebab. The recipe card is gonna go behind the green blazer. You don't have to tape it or anything like that. It's just kind of like almost like an envelope, and serves as a tag in the front too. So now we're just gonna add ribbons, and it's done. And now you're ready for your master's watch party.